The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeKalb County, southwestern DuPage County, western Grenville County, southern King County, Kimball County, LaSalle County, southeastern Lee County, northwestern Livingston County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Leland to LaSalle to McNabb and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Oglesby, Little Rock, Sandwich, Streator, Serena, Plano, Ottawa, Marseilles, Yorkville, Aurora, Seneca, Oswego, Winona, Utica, Hinckley, Saumonac, Conica, Sugar Grove, Sheridan, and Naplate. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Large hail,
I was talking about
heavy
tornado
lightning,
warning.
and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not
I know, but
drive
that's
into
not a
areas
tornado
where
warning.
water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 o'clock p.m. Monday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana. A tornado warning remains in effect for east central DeKalb and central Kane counties until